की बूंदें पत्तों की गोद में आसमां से कूदे, अंगड़ाई ले फिर करवट बदल कर, नाजुक से मोती हंस दे फिसल कर, खो न जाए ये तारे ज़मीं पर। ये तो है सर्दी में धूप की किरणें, उतरे जो आंगन को सुनहरा सा करने, मन के अंधेरों को रोशन सा कर दे, ठिठुरती हथेली की रंगत बदल दे, खो न जाए ये तारे ज़मीं पर। जैसे आँखों की डिबिया में निंदिया, और निंदिया में मीठा सा सपना, और सपने में मिल जाए फरिश्ता सा कोई। जैसे रंगों भरी पिचकारी, जैसे तितलियां फूलों की क्यारी, जैसे बिना मतलब का प्यारा रिश्ता हो कोई। ये तो आशा
Dear parents, I request you to please stand up for national anthem.
जन गण मन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता, पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड़ उत्कल बंगा, विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्चल जलधि तरंगा, तव शुभ नामे जागे, तव शुभ आशीष मांगे, गाहे तव जय गाथा। जन गण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता, जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे।
Respected chief guests, dignitaries from KIDSI, dear parents, teachers, staff, and last but not the least, lovely children, I take the privilege of welcoming you all on this occasion of annual day on behalf of KIDSI, Baner Pashan Link Road and Pashan Sus Road. It feels overwhelmed and honored to have you all with us today. Now may I request Mrs. Vidya Ushashu, Academic Manager KIDSI, our Honorable Chief Guest for today's evening, Mr. Anand, CEO of Funday, Mr. Ravi Sher, Territory Manager KIDSI, to take their seats on the dais. I would now request our Center Head, Mrs. Shobna Raman, to felicitate the guests by presenting them bouquet of flowers. Every auspicious beginning is made by lighting of lamp. So now I invite our guests to begin the function by lighting the lamp. शुभं करोति कल्याणम् आरोग्यं धनसम्पदा शत्रुबुद्धिविनाशाय दीपज्योति नमोस्तुते. This means I salute the Supreme who is the light in the lamp that brings auspiciousness, prosperity, good health, abundance of wealth, and destructions of intellect's enemy. Lamp lightning represent the auspiciousness, prosperity, and abundance. Light brings brightness. In doing so, it dispels darkness and we begin to see the things clearly. The oil used to light the lamp represents the negative human tendencies. The wick of lamp symbolizes the consciousness. Knowledge drains the oil or innate tendencies as it burns and destroys the wick. Thank you, everyone. Would like to introduce our chief guest, Mrs. Vidya Ushasu, the academic manager, West Zone Kidzi. She has been associated with Kidzi for more than 3 years. And auditor, Pune and Goa. Her qualification is BSc Human Development and specialized in child psychology. Masters in Child, Youth and Development. Her profile is training teachers, conducting audit, crisis management in preschool, then parent counseling, conducted seminars related to behavior management, child development, early childhood care, and education, child abuse, and positive parenting. And she has got 3 years experience with Z-Learn. May I now request Mrs. Vidya to share her views and enlighten us with her words of wisdom.
Good evening, parents and grandparents. Good evening. Okay, first of all, let me congratulate each one of you for being a part of Kidzi. Congratulations, Shobna and your entire team for putting up such a great show, which we are going to, of course, see. I will not take much time because I know you all are not interested in listening to me. Are you? Tell me frankly, आधे घंटे का speech दे दूँ? No? Okay. So I will not really take any time. I just want to say to each and every one of you that your child may come and gaze at these lights today. Some of them may dance. Some of them will talk to each other. Some of them will fight for the, whatever balloons are there on the stage. They might just take a balloon and walk away. But there's only one request to each and every one of you. When your child is handed over to you, please avoid comparing them with their friends. Just hold them, look into their eyes and tell them that, my child, I love you. This is a very small platform for them to gain confidence and just be free, and just be happy. So let's not make it very serious कि आपने dance क्यों नहीं किया और आप क्यों रोए. Let's give them their space. So are you all with me on that? Okay, another thing I wanted to announce is that Shobna has taken up Z-Learn Teachers Training Program franchisee in Baner Pashansus Link Road Center. This is a 3 months course, 3 months of theory and 1 month of practicals. So this is not just for people who want to become teachers, but also for, individuals who want to run their own business. Okay, so, and also for parents who want to understand child development better. So I can hear the children crying and I'm not going to take even a second more. Thank you very much for being a part of Kidzi once again. Thank you.
I'll request the guests to take their seats now. Today is the day we all have been waiting for throughout the year. The day which will be one of the most memorable days in our lives. The day when we see our children perform live on the stage. We understand how eager you all must be. As we share same feeling, we already are equally anxious to see our dear children perform, to see our little stars outshine the evening with their innate talent. So not taking much of your time, let me invite you for a journey full of music, dance, and rock and roll. Let's cherish the most beautiful and most adorable part of our lives, our childhood with our little ones. As you join us for the journey, please remember to encourage and clap and cheer our children. The Our little ones and our teachers have put in a lot of efforts, but still performing on a stage creates a feeling of anxiety. So please do not have a very high expectation and don't get disappointed if your child fails to perform as per your expectation. There is a long way ahead for them to go. Kindly note the following things. Keep your mobile phones on silent or vibration mode. Please do not wave your child while performing as it may distract the child. Do not stand as this will block the view of other parents. Photography is strictly prohibited. Photography and video recording is being done by the professionals. You will be provided with the photographs of child's performance. DVD will be also available for duplication if you want to have one. So please do not come near the stage or stand at your place to click the pictures or recording the performances. After the performance, your child will be handed over to you by the school staff, so please do not come backstage. Kindly enjoy the complete program and do not leave once your child performance is over, as all the children have practiced hard for the program and require your appreciation. The theme of this year annual day is disco. Disco is a genre of dance music containing elements of funk, soul, pop, and salsa. It achieved the popularity during the mid-1970s to the early 1980s. As per the traditions, we make a beginning to every event by worshipping Lord Ganesha. So, ladies and gentlemen, please put your hands together by the first performance of the day. Playgroup and nursery children from Kidzi Baner Pashan Link Road presenting before you Ganesh Vandana.
गणाध्यक्षाय धीमहि गुणशरीराय गुणमण्डिताय गुणेशानाय धीमहि गुणातीताय गुणाधीशाय गुणप्रविष्टाय धीमहि एकदन्ताय वक्रतुण्डाय गौरीतनयाय धीमहि गजेशानाय भालचन्द्राय श्रीगणेशाय धीमहि नेत्राय धीमहि गूढगुल्फाय गन्धमत्ताय गोजयप्रदाय धीमहि गुणातीताय गुणाधीशाय गुणप्रविष्टाय धीमहि एकदन्ताय वक्रतुण्डाय गौरीतनयाय धीमहि गजेशानाय भालचन्द्राय श्रीगणेशाय धीमहि
एकदन्ताय वक्रतुण्डाय गौरीतनयाय धीमहि गजेशानाय भालचन्द्राय श्रीगणेशाय धीमहि
performance, isn't it? Now parents, be ready to shake your bodies to the tunes of Shalalalala. Nursery students of Kidzi Pashan Susrod brings you flavor of Brazilian pop song Shalala. The children who are going to participate in this song are Suposh, Tita, Anaya, Ayush, Parnavi, Madhavan, Arohi, Vihan, Anvika, Atharva, Kshama, Suchit, Sanvi, Ira, Nishant, Sanmit, Kshitija. Please welcome them.